Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video. And today we're going to be discussing List Infinity. This is a review. And we're also going over the free masterclass that I have put together that teaches you guys how to run traffic, whether it's organic or paid. And we're going over funnel setup for your system. And everything we're trying to do, or I'm trying to do for you guys, is step by step so that you understand the process of building a work from home online business. If you are an affiliate marketer or you're looking to get into a side hustle to make more money from home online, this is the video for you. So right now, what you're looking at is my Stripe account. This is where I accept payments for the various programs that I'm involved in. And Stripe is just one of the platforms that I use to collect payments for the opportunities that I currently promote. And what you see here is some of the payments that I received. And I had a really good day yesterday where I had quite a few payments come in for some of the different opportunities and some of the coaching sessions that I provide to those who are looking to learn more about what it is that I do and wanting to get into entrepreneurship or just build an online business. So we had $100 payment, 25, 800, 100, 750, and 24.99. And the reason why a lot of these payments are different because I have multiple streams of income and I promote different opportunities that are doing really well and that are converting really well within the online space. And I don't jump into everything, but I have about 3 to 4 opportunities that I have been promoting over the last couple of years. And I have literally stuck with those opportunities because they are easy for people to learn how to set up systems and start building their online business, which means the trainings are easy, they're newbie friendly, and they're opportunities that I believe in that I feel are easy enough for people to join and start earning money. So, what I try to stay away from is complicated systems, programs that have lack of training or outdated training, and opportunities where I really don't know the owners or they don't have a trustworthy source that's promoting the opportunity. So I do take time to make sure that the opportunities that I get into are solid and they are going to allow you to have a return on investment when you start. So again, these are some of my results. I have been actively promoting now for well, online for about 2 to 3 weeks, actively putting out videos and sharing information. And as you can see, it pays off. But this is not the only way that I run traffic. I do use social media. That doesn't include video marketing. I don't want people to think you have to do video marketing in order to earn. Video marketing is just one of the traffic methods that you can apply to start earning online. So, with that said, again, these are some of my successful payments. I am excited about what's happening with this opportunity and how it's allowing me to grow within the online space. So, what I'm going to do is today, okay, first let's get to YouTube. If you have not watched the playlist, because this is a part of a playlist, once you're done with this video, you want to go and start with day one. We are now currently on day 9, and I've been putting together a playlist with List Infinity, just teaching people about the system, how it works, what to do when you get started, how to set everything up. And today, what we're going to be doing is going over how to connect your landing page to your domain name. So if this doesn't sound familiar to you, don't worry about it because we're going to go over it step by step. And I'm going to show you exactly what that process looks like. But here you're looking at day 1. This is the beginning of the playlist, which just took place only 2 weeks ago. And day 8 was yesterday. And again, today is day 9. You want to take your time and go through these modules because it's going to help you to really understand the process, how affiliate marketing work, how you can earn with List Infinity, and how you can start building your email list while collecting unlimited $25, $50, and $100 payments. Okay. So that's basically how it works in a nutshell. Okay, so the first step of actually putting together your connecting your landing page and your capture page is you're going to go to List Infinity. And once you get set up and you're ready to go and you follow the system setup, which is here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the lead capture page that you want to promote. So here, the capture page, also known as the landing page, is the place where you're capturing the emails. The reason you're capturing the emails is because you're going to send them follow-up emails, because more than likely when a person sees your offer, they are not going to sign up the first time around. It's going to take about maybe 5 to 7 hits for them to actually go in and purchase your product, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter. But what we want to do is we want to have the emails going out to these people about your opportunity from the moment they put their email address into your landing page. Now, the emails are set up for you. Once you connect your autoresponder, they're going to automatically start going out on your behalf. This is nothing that you have to write out yourself. You don't have to create the emails. The emails will be all ready to go. So let's just say I decide I'm going to pick this lead capture page. It just says brand new system, builds your list and pays you 100% commissions. Warning, only for serious people who want to earn money working from home today. Okay. So what I'm going to do is at some point, I'm going to copy this link because this is the link for that landing page. But before I do that, I'm going to go over to GoDaddy. And GoDaddy is not the only place that you can go to get a domain name, but that's the one that I'm choosing. This is the one that's easiest to use and the price is reasonable. We're going to go in here and we're going to find a domain name. So what I like to tell people is when you are promoting an opportunity, you want to brand yourself, which means you would we would love for your name to be a part of the domain that you choose. So as an example, if my name is Amanda Ray, I want mine to say work with amandaray.com. Okay, if that's not available, I'm going to find something else. So it's $70. I don't want to pay that amount. $11.50 if I do a .org. I want to do a .com. And they're going to give you some other options. You know, if you don't like the options that they give you, you can go in here and just keep searching. Okay. So we're going to do success today with amanda.com. See if it's available. If it's not, again, we're going to keep looking. So here, Success Today with Amanda.com is available $10 for the year. Okay. So if this is a good price, $10 a year with a 2-year term, you pay $20 today. That's not bad. This is going to allow you to hold this domain for literally 2 years. So you can hit here, make it yours. Okay. And then once you go here and you continue to the cart, you're going to X out of here because you don't need the bundle. So you X out of the bundle and then go to view cart. And then here, right here, you see it's $20 for 2 years. It renews September of 2024. Now, down here, the full domain protection, it's up to you. This protects your domain. I really don't protect the domain because you really don't need to. If you want to, you can get the protection. It's $9.99 per year. Now, once you do that and it looks good, you're going to hit looks good, and then you're going to purchase that domain. I'm not going to purchase this. This was just an example because I already have a domain I'm going to use. So you don't have to, once you make the purchase, you hit continue, you make your payment. This is now going to be in your account. Okay. So what you want to do is more than likely you're going to be in your account if you already have other domains. If not, you're going to create an account and then this domain is going to be a part of your account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in because I already have a domain account with a ton of different domains. Okay. So I'm going to hit sign in. And once I'm signed in, I'm going to go to the next step. So they're going to send a code to my phone. It's up to you. You can put this code, you can do the code. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's really up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and put this code in. You get a code every single time you log in. That code is sent to your phone. This is just to protect your account. Okay. So now that I have the this set up, we're good to go. We're going to do remind me later on that. And here, give me a second. I'm going to just verify this information. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I went ahead and I verified my account. Sometimes they do that depending on how long you've had your account, how long you had the same password. Sometimes that happens. Now, what I'm going to do is go down here to my products under account. This is where you're going to find your domain names that you've purchased. And you're going to go to the domain that you want to use. Now, if you only have one domain, that's what's going to show up. If you have more than one domain, all of your domain names is going to show up. So as you can see, I have different domain names here that I've purchased over the years that I still use, that I still have access to, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose workwithamandaray.com. This is the one that I want to connect to my landing page for List Infinity. So I'm going to click on DNS. And once I click on DNS, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to add forwarding. Now, once I add the forwarding, once I get here, what I want to do is I want to make this permanent. Now, if you aren't going to use it all the time, and it's not going to be a permanent thing, you can do a temporary. I don't use the forward with masking only because sometimes that interrupts the link going through. So you're going to use either permanent or temporary. Now, when I use temporary, this most of the time is if I'm holding a webinar and I'm using a Zoom link. Zoom links are changed a lot. And that's a temporary thing. If I'm using it and it's a part of a website, more than likely it's going to be permanent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to List Infinity. I'm going to copy the link. Then I'm going to go back here to the destination URL and I'm going to paste that right in like that. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to just hit save. Now, this is going to automatically update. It may take a couple of hours, but it can take up to a couple of days, depending on how many things they're doing or, you know, how quickly they can put the information in. So what I'm going to do is click here on this. And what we want is we want to make sure that this link here goes where it's supposed to go. So we want this to go to our capture page, right? So let's see here. We're going to go to here. Click on it. I'm going to highlight it. Oh, hold on. It's giving me a little bit of issue. I'm going to just add the rest. We want to make sure that this is working. So here goes the landing page / capture page. It came up. We know that the link is correct. This is what we want. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to GoDaddy and we're going to see if this is updated, which is the domain. And we want the domain to also go to the landing page. So I'm going to take the domain name and see if it went through. Maybe it won't. Okay, so it hasn't as of yet. So this basically means it has not yet updated. Okay, but we know that we have the information here. It's correct. We know that it works because we tested it. And now once they update the forwarding, which can take a few minutes to show, it'll go here to this domain. So I'm going to refresh it and see. And again, if it doesn't happen right away, that's okay, because it can take up to a couple of days. You can check it in a couple of hours. It's normally something that happens pretty fast, but I don't want you to feel concerned if it doesn't go through right away. Okay, so I'm gonna put it through again. I'm gonna hit enter. It's still taking me here, so that means that it has not yet updated. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep trying, and when we have our training tomorrow, I'll come back to this and see if it has been updated. But this is how you connect your landing page to your domain name so that when you're sending out people your link, you're not sending them this, but you're sending them the domain name that you're going to be using that's going to brand you and brand your business. Okay. So this is what I highly recommend for anyone that's sending out a capture page, especially when you're sending out to people through social media. It's great to just have a domain so that it looks professional and it's something that people can easily remember. Okay, so thank you so much for viewing this video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe because I'll be giving you guys more training and information on how to make money online and how to start really growing your business through affiliate marketing. So thanks so much, guys, and have a great day.